What's up, guys? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. The feral predator, a new type of predator. It's pretty cool, from the new movie Prey. Haven't watched it, but saw the trailer and I thought this would be a pretty neat one to draw. So let's go. I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. We're going to start with this sort of bone mask that's on his face, right? So center point of my page about here. I'm going to start about center, right? So let's go. So he's got this, yeah, interesting sort of mask, right? So it's got like these teeth, basically. Let's start here. Right, 4 of them. And then this will go like up around here. It gets kind of long, so it goes this way. We'll just get the overall shape first, and then we'll add the details inside. There's all these cracks and things and stuff inside, so it's pretty cool. Cool predator design. I've seen mixed reviews about the movie, so but the predator looks cool anyway. So these bones are on the side, kind of stick out here. This eventually bumps kind of around, so we've got like another piece that bumps out here. Around this way. It's kind of the same on both sides. Maybe a little bit different there. He's got like his laser sort of guided weapon thing in his helmet, or it's part of this skull, which is kind of interesting. So that goes down here. Okay, so that's the kind of shape, right? So then details inside, right? So we've got like these bumps on the teeth parts here. I guess there used to be teeth inside or something, but they're not there anymore. So there's lines inside here. And then we have, it'll be interesting to know what's the skull. So there's like, maybe there was an eye in this, in the middle or something, because there's like a gap here, right in the center. And this is all details inside it, just inside here. Kind of like that. And then we have cracks and fissures all in the skull. So different plates, right? So coming up the middle, kind of symmetrical. So it's kind of the same on both sides. So you got one here. Comes around into the skull there. Same on the other side. More or less the same anyway. There's like dots there and all these textures and things on them. Something else coming around here, another place just going around up here. And we keep going. So add another one. There, and then one in the middle. We kind of break this one up actually into 2. There's like a ridge that comes down here. Lots of these textures and things on them. So you're just trying to make them look bony. We're going. And then it's just like all textures that come down this part of the face just here. Yeah, and in here you've got that laser pointer thing, right? So you got this little sort of triangle in there with 3 circles. And the red light kind of comes out of that. And another part of the skull goes this way. So we're going back here. You can add as much of this texture stuff as you want, really. Right, so that's basically the helmet, right? So then teeth inside here, and then dreadlocks. So those predator type teeth, right? So you've got like these big fangs. So one here, one here. They don't have to be the exact same. And then 2 sticking up on the bottom. Like that. And then we got like this skin that kind of comes around. You add like wrinkles and things, textures onto that. And another sort of one here. And around this way. On the bottom. The bones that attach it to the face go in there, right? And then we have this skin on the inside of the mouth, sort of joining these pieces of the jaw together. And then there's this chin that comes across. And so it kind of bumps across like this real sort of narrow chin going up this way. There's all this various textures and stuff on the inside of the mouth. Wrinkles and things. And then there's like 4 teeth that come across the front. And then just some like wrinkles and things that come down from those. And like what we can see at the inside of the mouth, just not so much, there's not really a tongue I can't see. So we'll just add wrinkles and stuff. Doesn't seem to be a tongue. Right, so that's the face. Just tidy up some of these outside lines. Right, so that's all we can see of his face, because the helmet covers most. And like you can add wrinkles and stuff like that. So then there's these dreadlocks that come down and the body is behind, right? So, and they're kind of skinnier dreadlocks than we're used to, okay? So, like when you're drawing Predator, these ones are skinnier. So this goes down that way, right? And then the other side will go down this way. Let's brighten this up a bit so I can. Yeah, so you kind of just keep adding those then. Yeah, so I'll add like another one coming out from here. Right, so this is like a cluster of them. Another cluster there, right? So we'll just add individual ones now. So da-da-dum, da-da-dum. And then some coming out here. So his shoulders are about this level. We'll do some more. Right, kind of like that. So then we have a shoulder line that's pretty high up, so it comes out up here. So he's got big trapezius, and then a shoulder here. So big round shoulder there, and then bicep. So we'll get some anatomy and then we'll add more hair. So bicep there, chest muscle kind of here, center line for his chest there, okay? And then you have some collarbones going that way. And there's like some neck wrinkles and things here. Okay, so the other shoulder then here. Real big, muscly shoulder that way. Tricep. So this is his shoulder on that side. So we got like his chest down here. And then abs. Okay, and that means bicep. There, tricep. Roughly here. And we can add maybe just some deltoid muscles and stuff there. And his chest is there. Okay, so there is some more hair and spikes and stuff, right? So more dreads kind of go this way. Like this. And then we have another one that comes from behind his head, but this one has like one of those golden, I don't know what you'd call them, just those things wrapped around his dreads. So that one goes behind his back. All right, and then same sort of thing up here somewhere. So like a thing wrapped around a dread there. That dread will go just down this way, and then a dread going out sort of behind there. Maybe another one inside. And then I think we could see some of his flesh just behind this. So like some of those parts of the predator's skull. And then like some wrinkles and stuff on his skin, lots of them. So you want to make them kind of reptilian looking, so you're just adding like scales and just a lot of these texture kind of lines just like so. And then he has spikes coming out from the back, right? So these sort of spikes on the shoulders. And kind of coming down the collarbone as well. Just there, and they'd be colored like black or dark gray. So just coming up this way as well. A couple of these here. And then out the back. Right, and then more wrinkles and maybe like a scar or something here. I know he doesn't have a scar in the movie, but scars are always good to add on creatures like this. Sometimes there's like dark patches of skin here, so like so. Right. And like you could just thicken up some of your edge lines. All right, but I think I'll leave it there. That is how to draw the feral predator. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.